Hi, we're into week 3 of healthcare delivery systems, and I hope everything is going very well for you. This week, we're going to continue from last week, and we're going to look at accreditation and professional organizations that impact healthcare. Okay, and also there's a little bit of component or refresher from last week on government organizations. So one thing as an HIM professional that you need to know is the difference between accreditation and licensure. Accreditation of a healthcare organization is a voluntary process, meaning that an organization can choose or not choose to become accredited. However, licensure is required. There's no choice. If you're not licensed as a healthcare facility, you don't open. The same with professions, which is in a later chapter. There's accredited and licensed, much of the same manner. But facilities are usually required to be licensed. So, for example, if it's a hospital, a nursing home, a rehab agency, etc., they usually have to be licensed by the state in which they reside. And then they have to meet all the requirements of that licensure. Accreditation agencies are a little bit different. It's voluntary, and facilities use what are called standards to measure their performance against that of an accreditation agency. There can be a conflict between what an accreditation agency wants and what a licensing agency wants, or what a federal regulation wants. When that happens, you always will go with the most strict requirement, and then that way you have all your bases covered. So, for example, by this time in health records management, you're starting to learn some of the requirements that pertains to a health record. A lot of these are part of that licensing and or an accrediting agency that you need to do. So, we'll start with week 3. Be sure to do your assignments, your discussion post, and your self-assessments, and any other supplemental activities that are in the week. And if you have any questions or concerns or comments, as always, please contact me. And lastly, have a great week. We're into 3 weeks. We're almost pushing a month here. Talk to you later. Bye.